sumayaw kanina? Ako! Sigurado ka?
Ako, pinakamagaling kanilang sumayaw.
Our best introduction number yung magaling kumawag kanina. Our best introduction number will receive the search and a crown. Our best introduction number goes to candidate number 4. Yan ang group ng magaling kumawag. Galingin sa ano, sa choreographer nito. Ako ready. Choreographer choice, oh. Yung magaling kumembol. Mamay ko. Hindi may picture ako. Nakita yung cellphone. Oo, ilalagay ko naman dito.
Ito lang magiging ata. Magiging sana.
Kasama yung si Koyo.
Ang picture-picture kayo sa photographer yung visit kayo, diba?
1, 2, 3.
Picturean mo ka.
Jadi B naman, umalis.
Clarence Crimson Extra Firm Musa, tapos ang collagen-free formula. Championship 8 Musa Substance.
In summer attire. To receive sash and crown. Sino kaya?
Sino yung pinakamagandang summer attire?
Best in summer attire is candidate number...
Candidate number 4! Siya ang maganda.
Best in summer. Receive sash and crown. Wala ko.
Receive sash.
Kapatid ang kulit. Ang kulit na kapatid! My God! May corona din ako.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Let's proceed. Next award. Best in sports attire. Sino kaya? Sports attire.
Best in sports attire. Sino yung pick niya?
Best in sports attire is candidate number...
Best in sports wear. Sports attire goes to candidate number 4.
Wala pa na pa. Wala pa na. Maafon na. Wala na pala ng helmet nila kayo. Oh my God. Live na lang. Helmet ka na. So, pahugan lang tawanan. Oh, picture.
Group fit muna.
Okay, let's go.
Minor awards are red outfit. Sino kaya ang pinakamagandang outfit sa kanilang O, tayo naka-red.
Best in red outfit. To receive sash and crown. Sino kaya?
Yung pinaka-best nila red in outfit.
Ate Bessie, kumanay ka.
Our best in red outfit goes to candidate number... Sino yung gusto nyo?
3 or 4. 3 or 4 yan.
Our best in red outfit goes to candidate number...
Yes, 3. Ang ganda nga yan, number 3.
Hindi po niya accept. Ayaw ko yung mag-forward. Parang ayaw mo na. O, diba? Ang ganda ng bahay.